This is the step number 2, fill out tax return. Step number 1, download and install the ABIR forms package. Step number 2, fill out tax return using the ABIR. So calendar tayo, tapos December 2024, example tayo, third quarter tayo. Third quarter, amended return, no. Number of sheets attached. Dito marami nagkakamali. Number of sheets attached, kung meron kayong babayaran, dalawa. Kasi yung isa, email confirmation. Kung wala naman babayaran, isa lang, email confirmation. So, dalawa kasi meron tayong babayaran, email confirmation, tsaka yung proof of payment natin. So, dalawa yung sheets attached natin. Yung iba kasi dyan, zero lang eh. At ito yung kagandahan, kung napansin nyo, yung background information ng taxpayer, part 1, automatic na siya based doon sa pinil out nating home screen ng ABIR forms package natin. Okay? Andito yung TIN ko, RDO code, automatic na yan. Kung napansin nyo, nakakulay gray siya, hindi siya na-edit. Kung gusto nyo i-edit yan, pupunta kayo sa main screen natin, click nyo ito, file, tapos main screen, doon nyo siya i-edit ngayon, tapos save nyo lang para ma-edit yung background information dito. RDO code, pangalan ko, address, cellphone number, yan. Email address, very important kasi dito ipapadala yung email confirmation natin as proof na nakapag-file tayo ng ating tax return online. Zip code, kung hindi nyo alam yung zip code nyo, search nyo sa internet, nandun lang. Okay? Are you availing tax relief? No, normally no. Tapos papipiliin ka, graduated or 8%. Whether graduated ka o 8%, we will discuss that sa separate nating HTC video. Okay? This is for our tax planning. Gagawa tayo ng separate HTC video for our tax planning. For the meantime, graduated muna tayo. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, scroll down. Tapos, next step na, page number 2. Tapos, dito natin lalagay PT010. Tapos, taxable amount for the 3 months,